Good morning from Rio! Today I am going to explore Tijuca National Park, which also is a big rainforest here in Rio. I'm really excited, so let's head out there! The Tijuca forest is claimed to be the world's largest urban forest, covering an area of 32 square kilometers. It is a man-made reclamation of land that previously had been cleared and developed to grow sugar and coffee. The deforestation was affecting Rio's supply of drinking water, so replanting was done in the second half of the 19th century in a successful effort to protect Rio's water supply. The forest is filled with natural beauty, amazing waterfalls, and beautiful scenery.